Hello everyone, I'm Yoshi. I'm from Japan and I'm in Japan now. So, what I want to do is to introduce you to Japan. Because Japan has lots of millions juicy food and juicy dishes. For example, ramen, sushi, sukiyaki, tempura, gyoza, gyudon, wow. Lots of millions juicy food and juicy dishes in here. So, I know you know that, and I know you want to enjoy them. So, I hope you watch it before you come to Japan, and you can enjoy your trip in Japan more. So, let me show you now. Enjoy! Hey guys, today I am here. I am at Osaka Ohsyo. As you know, Osaka Ohsyo is one of the most popular Chinese restaurants, right? Alright, first check the menu. Of course, they have English menu. So, for about that, very easy to order. Really easy, right? Alright, these are Chinese. Ooh, really authentic Chinese, right? And I don't know why they have curry. I don't know why, but they have. Yeah, and dumpling. Yeah, called Gyoza in Japanese. So dumpling is very important. And these are fried rices. Ooh, and I don't know, rice ball or something, right? And these are noodles, ramen and fried noodles or something. Ooh, delicious. And these are, I don't know, main dish or something, fried something, shrimp or something. And these are set meal. Ah, wow. Really delicious, look like delicious. Alright, today I tried this one. Garlic butter flavor fried chicken, fried rice. I'm sorry about that, this is recommended menu, so I mean time limited menu, so they don't have English title. So, but I'm sorry about that. Yeah, you can see the photo and you can order this, right? Alright, very easy, it's done. Yeah, just wait, and just wait. Alright, tables for really Chinese sauces, right? This is, paper napkin. Yeah, very important, right? And this is vinegar and the sauce for gyoza, dumpling, and chili oil. Yeah, absolutely chili oil. This is very important. And this is black pepper. Yeah, definitely. So, yeah, great. Alright, he's here. Ooh, look like, mountain. Just it's mountain. Right, alright, first try, I try. Chicken, come on. It's good, really good. And I found seeds, right? Come on. Wow, and I try onion. Come on. Good. And I found this is fried chicken with tartar sauce. Right? Come on. Ooh. It's good. And I try fried rice. This is, come on. Oh my god. Wow, it's great. Alright. Anyway, this is, I'm sorry, they don't have English menu for this. Because it's a time limited menu and recommended menu. So, if you want it, you can choose with picture, right? And you should order this, right? And I'm sorry about that. This, green something. This is, I said, sieves, but I'm sorry about that. It's not sieves. It is garlic sprout, right? So this is a garlic butter flavor. So this green something is garlic sprout, right? Yeah, this is really juicy. Yeah, a little bit heavy. So garlic butter and fried oil. So if you I don't know, but if you want to healthy body, you want to get healthy body, I think you don't eat it, but it doesn't matter, right? This is delicious, so it doesn't matter. You should eat it. You should try it because this is great, right? So and this is fried chicken with white sauce. That was tartar sauce, which means as you know, mayo sauce, kind of mayo sauce. Yeah, it's a really good. Yeah, I can say that. So you should try it. Really good. Not sweet, but not spicy, but it's good. Yeah, I can explain. You should try it. Yeah. And this is fried rice is very popular in Japan. Yeah, this is Chinese, but almost all Japanese. I don't know. Japanese Chinese or Chinese Japanese. Yeah, we love that. Yeah, we love fried rice, right? Yeah, it's good. You should come to Japan as soon as possible, right? Alright, all of them. Thank you, Osaka Ohsyo. How was that? Do you like it? I think it is very nice. Try it. Alright. If you like it, please leave thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.